Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling the notification indicator on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With the notification indicator on, when you have an unread notification, a red dot will appear at the top of the watch screen to remind you of your unread notification. Follow the steps to learn how to turn the notification indicator on or off. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down and tap notifications. Now tap the toggle to the right of notification indicator to turn the indicator on or off. When the toggle is green, the red dot will appear when you have an unread notification. When the toggle is grey, the notification indicator is turned off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.